YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you with another dope unboxing. Jordan 5s. We're gonna get right into it. Before I do that, I need y'all to do me a favor, man. At the bottom of your screen, if it's red, turn it gray. Subscribe to me and Maddie's channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a comment. We appreciate it. I always like to interact back and forth, you know what I'm saying? I don't say subs. I don't look at y'all subs. That's why I say retro family and retro gang. Y'all family to me, so this is how we gonna do this, man. Please leave a comment. I love interacting with y'all. So let's hop right into this dope unboxing. Right now, y'all see what's going on. I like the new, the QR code, how you can scan everything, make sure it's legit. You see the price tag. It's supposed to be kind of limited. I think Foot Action was the only one supposedly heading in the sneaker app, but if you don't know, City Gear headed too. The City Gear out here, underground Atlanta, they headed. City Gear had them too. Y'all can check me on that. I know y'all gonna do y'all fact checks, but trust me, City Gear had them. So let's hop right into it. Hold on, let's do this box real quick before I hop right into it, man. I'm gonna use this box on the thumbnail too, just to let y'all know. See Jordan taking flight. You got the wings. You got Wing It. See that one right there, the buzzer? Man, come on. All right, man, that's enough of that. What they say, who says man is not meant to fly? Let's get it. So you got the black paper. Make sure you got that black. Then you got the white. You got black again. Sheesh. Y'all know what we say, man. Maddie not here right now, but I know she'll say buttery. So y'all leave a comment for Maddie, man. Maddie out of town on that New York hiatus, enjoying life, her and the producer. So I got to hold it down while the lady's gone. The shoe is 3M, by the way. Well, not the whole shoe up here at the tongue where you see the Jumpman logo and Jordan. All this is 3M. Good quality. Like I said, these were supposed to be limited. I hope it's coming up on camera when I move it. So you can kind of see. Got the icy blue tint, like the bottom. The back, I'm loving the back. Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. You got the Team Jordan logo here. You got this yellow stitching. Once again, this if I didn't say it, this pair is inspired. It says inspired on the inside, upside down if you're looking at it. Good quality material. The lace locks. You know what, gang? Everybody been showing y'all. Let's get right into it. Let's pull everything out. Let's do a legit check. Make sure everybody's pair is gonna look like this. So you got the tissue up under here, the paper. 12 to 12 and a half, which is, my size. You got inspired. Look at this material here. Nice quality material. You see the inside of you see that? Yo, you know what? If you can't, let's pull it on out. Let's get to it. Y'all bear with me, fam. I'll give y'all a detailed review on this one. Y'all deserve it. There we go, size 12. As you can see, you got the insole out now so you can see what it looks like. Blue laces, you got the lace lock. Let's see what the lace lock's looking like. You got the Jordan right here. See that clear? Okay. So I'm not gonna take it out of both. The other one says inspired as well. And then the inside, you got the yellow. Say this was inspired by the Fab Five, Michigan, y'all. Basketball players, man. I'm gonna get a jersey. Shout out to Detroit, the Motor City, Midwest. I'm gonna get a jersey to rock with this. It's gonna be probably a Jalen Rose jersey. Representing that 5 on the back. Y'all leave a comment below. Tell me what y'all rock with this particular fit. You know what I'm saying? You got to do the basketball team. You can do the football team. It fall to be right here around the corner. So I will be popping this out probably around back to school or maybe September. So look, before I sign out, if you don't know, we got a raffle, man. Retro Rick, Maddie's Kicks has teamed up with Josh and Guile. I'm going to leave the description below. We're running it through Gleam to make sure everybody stays subbed up. It's been a 30-day. We're doing a 30-day period of off-whites. Yeah, y'all heard the kid, man. Off-whites. Everybody know what's going on now. If you enter the raffle, let me know in the comments. Just say enter. We'll interact back and forth. But yeah, we're doing off-white giveaways, man. I think it ends July 21st is when we're going to stop it. I think we're going to announce it around July 25th, waiting for Maddie to get back. When Maddie get back, me, Josh, and Galaxy Gal, we're going to hook up and we're going to let y'all know, hey, off-whites on deck, as well as a merch bag. We got claws. Maddie got Supreme stickers. We got stuff that we working on to give away, a nice goodie bag. So y'all know this is the official Give Back channel. Y'all know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Hey, look, man, this was a delayed W, man, but it's still a W. I couldn't bring it to y'all Saturday when it came out. I was on the road. Still pay retail for it. Hey, shout out to Munchie Bucks, man. Munchie held me down. Oh, just let y'all know, it was $225, by the way, man. A lot of cho-chos, man. My wife's sitting right here, so I didn't want to give out the number, but I got to keep y'all linked. It was $225 plus tax. It come up to it was like $245, man. So look, I like this pair. Not going to sell this pair. Do not ask me. This is a personal pair because I like the quality of the material. Man, we love y'all, man. Stay strong. Stay double strong, man. We out. Hey, look, enjoy y'all day. Gone. Retro, and Maddie kicks. We ahead of the wave. We keeping it lit. And if you got the chips, you can come take you a pic. Air Max 95, and an Air Jordan 6. Cause we give it back. Whatever repurchase we get. Get it now, hopeless and keeping it fresh. If they need some kicks, go. So let's keep it moving. It's all about showing and proving. We gon' do what we doing. So none of our people are losing. If you up with the movement,